Imants comes in with the first answer, 395 grams. That is not correct. Not correct. So the first answer has come in from Imants, but unfortunately, that is not correct. $394. $390. Airwick never makes it easy for his fans. Yeah. Told you guys, he's John Wick. Yeah. All right. Well, we've now come to the point in the tournament where we basically are out of models, right? Seems like we're just about out of models. So we're going to have to see if we can come up with something that will be fitting for this potential finale between these two runners, because they both have done so good all throughout this tournament. We really need to find a fitting model to end things off. So here we go. Let's shake it off. Imants says, call it a draw. I think I might have one more for us. Here we go. This next CAD battle between ONSHAPE and ONSHAPE, Imants versus Airwick. The final battle to determine who is the champion of the 2024 Spring Open begins in 3, 2, 1, go. Dun, dun, dun. The old thumb lever. This part is brutal. We've seen it before in championship matches. We've seen it in the practice models app. Who did the research? Who put in the work? Who can solve this model first? We got Airwick on the right. We got Imants on the left. Chris Bico says, horrible model, LOL. This one is not easy. But this was the model that Alness finished to win the World Championship in 2022. Imants' own brother. How fitting would it be if Imants was able to take it down with that same model? And yet, how devastating if Airwick were to cinch the win. High stakes in this final match. Ex Machina says, I have an actual physical reaction when seeing it after trying it in the practice models app. Yeah. It's now a battle of honor. Nice. Joanne Thunberg. Okay. First feature went to Airwick. Imants is right behind him, though. This seems like it would be... See, I'm not going to say anything. I didn't want to give anything away. If you guys out there ever want to try this model, sign up at TooTallToby.com, get on the practice models app, and you too can give it a try. It's in there. Looks like Airwick is pulling ahead. He was able to really come up with a good plan for that second feature. Although Imants he's got something going on in the tree there. He's got an extra feature. FT says, yeah, I had to try it in the practice models app and then come back. TooTallToby.com/practice if you guys want to try it. Slightly different version than this version here in the tournament, but FT says, yep, I had to leave and come back with more experience when I tried it in the first practice. We see Airwick on the right, already creating the geometry for that upper section. Rich Penn says, it looks so simple until I started modeling. Then not so much. Guys, I got a big announcement for you. We got 70 people watching and we got 70 likes. We did it. We hit that convergence point of 1-to-1 ratio. That's what's up. 1-to-1 for the likes and the views. Great job, everybody. Edwin says 71 here. Nice. Do we change timelines now? Yep. Stu 3D says top 3 hardest TTT models I've done. Yeah. This is definitely in the top 3. It's just so weird in that transition area. The area that Airwick is working on now. It's so weird. Like getting that bend to do what it's supposed to do with sharp corners there. You have to really be on your game. Look at Imants on the left. It looks almost like he's doing the final spin. We might see an answer come in here in record time on this model. No tolerance on this one, so you either get it or you don't. Imants comes in with the first answer, 395 grams. That is not correct. Not correct. So the first answer has come in from Imants, but unfortunately, that is not correct. $394. 395. That is not correct. Victor K in the chat says, got it. Ex Machina listing some of his favorite songs. I like that Radar Love song. I was in a band once that covered that song. It's pretty fun to play. He's just going to give us all the playlist. This is nice. Man, this is... We're going to be coming down to the wire on this one, too. Every match between these guys is just so darn close. Airwick comes into the chat with his first answer, 408 grams. And guys, we have a new champion. Wow, wow, wow. Airwick. Congratulations. We are the champions. Yes, indeed. What a win. What a battle. Wow, wow, wow. Great job. Airwick takes it down. First place. Let's go. Wow, wow, wow. That was so awesome. What a series of matches. What a run, too. Airwick had a brutal path to get to victory there. He had to go through some tough competition. Wow, and nice work to Imants as well. Yep, very nice. Very, very nice to both of our runners. Awesome job. GG to the winner. GG to both runners. Great job. Oh my goodness. Imants just insta-logged off. He's like, I can't believe I missed so much class for this tournament. I gotta get back to class. Wow, wow, wow. definitely earned his championship with his run. Yeah, that was he had a really tough path there. I mean, he had Will in the opening gambit, and then had Mr. Alex in the Elite 8, had Chris Pico here earlier today, and then had Imants. Talk about earning your championship. Wow, wow, wow. Airwick, very nicely done. Congratulations.